In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to Outlook signature. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional signature that includes your company logo ready to appear on every email you send. Before we start, make sure you have your logo saved on your computer in a common format like PNG or JPG, ideally at a modest size so it looks sharp without overwhelming your message. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Outlook. Click the official Microsoft Outlook site to avoid lookalikes, then sign in with your account. Use your usual login method and complete any verification prompts. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. This opens your Outlook settings panel, where you can customize everything from themes to mail preferences. Next, open the Account section. Inside these options, find and select Signature. This is the place where Outlook lets you create, edit, and manage your email signatures. You'll see controls for adding a new one and tools for formatting. Click the option to add a new signature, usually shown as a plus icon or an Add Signature button. You'll also notice a formatting toolbar that includes an Insert option. Click Insert to reveal items you can place in your signature. Give your signature a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to maintain multiple versions for different roles or languages. After naming it, click into the large editing field under the signature name. This is your canvas, the space where your text and logo will live. Now, choose Picture from the Insert options. A file picker window will appear. Navigate to the folder where your logo is stored, select it, and click Open. Outlook will place the image into your signature field. If the logo looks oversized, consider using a smaller version of the image file for best results. Keeping the logo around a few hundred pixels wide usually maintains clarity without making your emails heavy. With the logo in place, type in the rest of your signature details beneath or beside it: your job title, company, website, and any essential contact information. Keep it simple and readable. Avoid lengthy taglines or too many links so your messages stay clean and professional. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your signature with a logo is now ready to use. From now on, when you compose emails, you'll see the updated signature available to insert. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your polished, branded Outlook signature.